level. Spain by replicate Saudi after they won last weekend. Omuriniwe in that jubilant mood. Under the RFEF and here Spain Football Federation, president Ora Luis Rubiales. Kofe Jenny Hermoso, one of the players I know. Sounds me and home. In this aftermath, there was a backlash. Don't know the two man sees who are. As I'm not getting him saying maybe after 3-4 days a bewu. I feel cry ne pager, I feel sorry. And so the major newspapers in Spain have dedicated almost front pages, to the latest AI development concerning this matter. And to ASR reported Jenny Deja Kaye a Rubiales. Next, Jenny drops Rubiales. Then la jugadora se adhiere al comunicado de su sindicato fútbol que pide medidas ejemplares contra el presidente de la RFEF. The player has aligned with the statement from the union, one, football for professional footballers or Spain, two, and then demanded exemplary measures to be taken against the president of the Spanish Football Federation. The Omatrono we wahano mepacho offer municipal fola so that was clear. La Liga FC suma a ostras tres denuncias al CST. When so can say La Liga F near a mano Premier League number with Spain. Also a demand they say court kesia and no sports the same so a FN says CSD and so N2 opinion FN say